हाय एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक। तो हम लोग परम्यूटेशंस एंड कॉम्बिनेशंस के क्वेश्चन देख रहे थे, तो चलो शुरू करते हैं। द फर्स्ट वन। सो इन लास्ट वीडियो आई हैड एक्चुअली लेफ्ट विथ वन क्वेश्चन जो आपको स्क्रीन पे दिख रहा है। ये सीसा 2022 का क्वेश्चन है और मैंने कहा था कि आप इसको सॉल्व कीजिए। आई एम नॉट श्योर हाउ मेनी ऑफ यू गॉट इट, बट आई विल सॉल्व दिस क्वेश्चन इन टू डिफरेंट वेज। ओके, तो आपको पूरे कंसेप्ट समझ में आ जाएंगे कि ये मैंने कैसे अलग अलग तरीके से परम्यूटेशन कॉम्बिनेशन यूज करके सॉल्व किया है। ओके, so let us read the question first. There are 9 cups placed on a table arranged in equal number of rows and columns, out of which 6 cups contain coffee and 3 cups contain tea. तो अपने पास 9 ऑब्जेक्ट्स है और हमको इक्वल नंबर ऑफ रोज एंड कॉलम्स में उसको प्लेस करना है। सो ऑब्वियसली देर विल बी 3 rows like this and there will be 3 columns. Correct? Equal number of rows and columns for 9 objects, out of which we have 6 cup of coffee and we have 3 cups of tea. Okay, question is, in how many ways can they be arranged so that each row should contain at least 1 cup of coffee? तो इसमें at least 1 cup of coffee होना चाहिए। ओके, इन एवरी रो मतलब है हॉरिजॉन्टल वाला। इसमें कम से कम एक कॉफी का कप होना चाहिए। ऐसे हम लोग कितने अरेंजमेंट कर सकते हैं विथ 6 cups ऑफ कॉफी एंड 3 cups ऑफ टी। ओके, तो लेट मी सॉल्व दिस with a normal simple method. Okay, matlab the other one is also simple, but it is a different chain of thought, right? The first is, look at this problem. Suppose आपके पास 9 objects है, right? 4 5 6 7 8 9, and now you have 9 places, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Correct? You have to place these 9 objects in these 9 places. So think of these 9 places as these 9 boxes and these 9 objects as these 9 cups, right? So how many ways you can do it? Obviously you can do it in 9 factorial ways. Okay, तो मैं पहले क्या कर रहा हूं कि विदाउट एनी कंसिडरेशन कि हर रो में कॉफी होनी ही चाहिए, आई एम ट्राइंग टू फाइंड आउट व्हाट आर द डिफरेंट वेज इन विच these cups and cups of coffee and tea can be arranged in 9 places. तो ये हो गया 9 फैक्टोरियल। लेकिन राइट, आपने यहाँ पे कॉफी रखा, यहाँ पे कॉफी रखा और यहाँ पे टी रखा। In the same way, this copy you kept here and this copy you kept here, right? Then it doesn't make any difference because in both the boxes it is a coffee. Okay, so from the arrangement standpoint, it doesn't make any difference. If these are 9 different distinct objects, then the answer is 9 factorial. But we have seen in many questions that whenever there is a repetition, we have to divide by that repetition, right? तो कॉफी में कितना रिपीटेशन है? 6 फैक्टोरियल का। टी में कितना रिपीटेशन है? 3 फैक्टोरियल का। So these are the number of ways in which 6 cups of coffee and 3 cups of tea can be arranged in these 9 boxes in unique ways. So this is what? This is 7 into 8 into 9. 9 factor मतलब 6 factorial मैंने उड़ा दिया, and this is 3 into 2, right? So this is 3, this is 4, so this is 84. So there are 84 ways in which I can arrange 6 cups of coffee and 3 cups of tea in these 9 boxes. But now I have to consider the condition. So condition says that the row should contain at least 1 cup of coffee. Basically they don't want T rows like this. Okay, so this is the only exception. This TTT combination can be here, or it can be here, or it can be here. So there are 3 combinations out of these 84 where T can be in all the horizontal boxes. So there are 3 arrangements which are not acceptable. जो acceptable नहीं है, ऐसे 3 arrangement है. So I will remove these 3 arrangements from these 84 and I will get my answer, which is 81, which is option number D. Okay, this is actually a simple question जो दिखने में बहुत difficult लग सकता है, but if you think of this way, it becomes very easy. Let me explain it to you in another way. Okay, let me erase this. Okay, so now think of the ways in which such arrangement can be done. Okay, so for example, you want coffee in every रो, राइट? सो मैं 2 कॉफ़ी डालता हूँ, 1 टी डालता हूँ, इधर 2 कॉफ़ी डालता हूँ, इधर 1 टी डालता हूँ, इधर 2 कॉफ़ी, इधर 1 टी डालता हूँ, राइट? This is one way of doing it. What is another way of doing it? All the coffees here, then I will put 1 tea here, and then I will put 2 tea here. Okay. Now you can interchange these rows. मतलब CTT वाला रो ऊपर आ सकता है, बीच में आ सकता है, CCT वाला रो भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, CCC का भी ऊपर नीचे हो सकता है, बट रो में ये डिफरेंट रोज का कॉम्बिनेशन हो सकता है, राइट? इज देयर एनी अदर वे ऑफ डूइंग इट? नो, क्योंकि आपके पास टीटीटी का रो एक्सेप्टेबल नहीं है। ओके, तो व्हाट यू हैव डन इज यू हैव यूज 2 टी एंड 1 टी हियर बिकॉज आपके पास 3 ही कप्स है टी के, एंड देन यू हैव पुट 1 टी इन ईच ऑफ द रो. सो दीज आर द ओनली 2 ways in which this can be done. Okay, now let us solve this particular puzzle saying that in how many ways these two different combinations are possible, so that we get our answer. The first one, right, is CCT. So you know that within this particular row, this arrangement can be interchanged in how many ways? 3 ways, right? Basically 3 factorial by 2 factorial, क्योंकि coffee repeated है, that is 3 ways. So this can be done 3 ways. मतलब basically t यहाँ पे आ सकता है, यहाँ पे आ सकता है, या यहाँ पे आ सकता है, right? So there is 3 ways. Similarly, in this row also can be 3 ways, and similarly this row also can be 3 ways, right? Now the number of ways in which this can be done is 3 into 3 into 3 is 27, correct? Now let us look at this one. Okay, in this first row it can be done only in one way. In second row, so this can be done only in one way. In second row, this arrangement can be interchanged within that row by how many ways? CCT, we already know it is 3 ways, right? CTT, here T is repeated, so it is still 3 ways, right? But here each row is same, right? And that's why we are not counting the interchange, but here each row is unique, right? There is no repetition of rows. So this row is entirely different because there are 3 C's, here there are 2 C's, and here only 1 C, right? So now within these rows can move up and down because each one of them is unique. So in how many ways? There are 3 different unique rows and 3 different places. That means we have to do it in 3 factorial ways, which is 1 into 3 into 3 into 6, right? So this is 54 ways, correct? So now this can be done in 54 ways, this can be done in 27 ways. So the total number of ways is 54 plus 27, which is 81. That's my answer, option number D again. Okay, so you can think of this in either way. Both way you are going to get the same answer. I hope you understood it. I would count this as one of the complex questions rather than a simpler question from permutation and combination, which was asked in 2022. Let us go to the next one. अभी बचा हुआ हम फटाफट solve कर लेते हैं. What is the number of numbers of the form 0.xy where x and y are distinct non-zero digit? इससे तो मतलब इजी क्वेश्चन हो ही नहीं सकता. अपने पास डिजिट कितना है? 1 to 9, राइट? तो हमको x और y को रिप्लेस करना है. सो वी हैव 9 ऑप्शंस फॉर x and we have 8 options for y. This is a very basic question. 72, option number A. Let us go to the next one. Raj has 10 pair of red, 9 pairs of white and 8 pairs of black shoes. Now we are solving 23 ka question. In a box, if he randomly picks shoes one by one without replacement, मतलब वो shoes निकाल रहा है, वापस नहीं रख रहा है, from the box to get a red pair of shoes to wear, उसको पहनने लायक 2 जूते चाहिए रेड कलर के. What is the maximum number of attempts he has to make? तो maximum number of attempts मतलब it is a worst day for the Raj. वो जो भी निकाल रहा है उसको रेड पेयर पहनने लायक नहीं मिल रहा है, राइट? पहनने के लिए to wear. This is important. I am highlighting this and I will tell you why, right? So let us start. 10 pairs of red, right? That means he has 20 red shoes. 9 pairs of white, so he has 18 white shoes. And 8 pairs of black, that means he has 16 black shoes, correct? Now he starts picking one by one. So let us say that finally he wants a red pair of shoes. So we want to find the maximum number of attempts, right? Maximum number of attempts means whenever he puts a hand in the box and pulls a shoe, that उसके बाद हमेशा उसको रेड पेयर ही मिलना चाहिए. Okay, we have to go to that stage. So what I will consider that he first ended up picking all the white shoes. That is, first he picked all white shoes. So 18 shoes हो गया, right pair नहीं मिला. Then he picked all the black shoes, right? So he has already picked 34 shoes. He did not get any red pair. Now let me draw shoes का diagram. ये shoes का diagram है. अभी this is left shoe and this is right shoe, right? So out of these 20, this is quantity is left and this quantity is right, correct? He has already picked up 34 shoes. Because he has to go to maximum number of attempts, what is the worst thing which can happen? That the next 10 shoes that he picks are belonging to only 1 feet, right? Either left or right. So he picks 1 feet ka 10 shoes. So he has already picked 44 shoes. And he has still not got a pair to wear, पहनने के लिए उसको अभी तक कुछ नहीं मिला है. Okay, now what is left is only, let us say these are left ka shoes. So there are only right ka red color ka shoes left in the box. So now next 10 attempts he will certainly get a pair of red shoes, right? But the first attempt will be the 45th attempt. So that's our answer, option number D. Okay, and that's why I was focusing on 2 wear, क्योंकि यहाँ पे एक गलती हो सकती है that you may end up 34 हो गया, so 35 and 36th will be red shoe. Okay, and you may end up marking this, but this is not the correct answer. Correct answer is 45. Let us go to the next one. In how many ways can a batsman score exactly 25 runs? By scoring single runs, fours and sixes only, irrespective of the sequence of scoring shots. So here sequence doesn't matter, only combination matters. इसमें manual counting ही करना पड़ेगा. There is no easy way to do it, right? And I don't know why UPSC is asking such questions, because it is just time consuming. If I am giving the exam, I will keep this for the last. I will not attempt it because I am not sure if I'll be able to solve it under 2 minutes. Okay, or 1.5 minutes तो होता है, but at least 2 minutes. Okay, let us say that he scores 25 runs. Let us count the items. So all ones, all fours, all sixes, and combination of fours and sixes plus 1. Okay, this is 6 plus 1 का combination, 4 plus 1 का combination, and only 1. So 1 का combination से he score 25 runs, so there is only one way. Okay, 4 का combination से 4 plus 1s, then 8 plus 1s plus 12 plus 1s, मतलब 3 चौके, right? 3 चौका है इधर. This is basically 2 चौका, this is 3 चौका, this is 4 चौका, this is 5 चौका, this is 6 चौका. Correct? So there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 ways in which this can be done. Now only sixes. So this is 1 6 plus rest he runs for 1 runs. Then these are 2 sixes plus 1 runs. These are 3 sixes plus 1 runs. And these are 4 sixes plus 1 runs. So there are 4 ways of doing this. Okay. Now here 4 6 and 1 ka combination. So let us say that he does 1 4 plus 1 6 plus rest 1 1 1, right? Then 4 plus 2 sixes plus 1s, 4 plus 3 6s plus 1s. 4 6s आ सकता है नहीं, because 4 6s will take him to 24 and 4 28 हो जाएगा. So these are the only t. Now let us take 2 4s plus 1 6. तो ये 14 रन हो गया प्लस बाकी 1s. Then 2 4s and 2 6s 20 हो गया. क्या 3 हो सकता है? तो दिस विल बी नाउ 18 प्लस 4 22 26. तो नहीं हो सकता. Now let us take 3 4s plus 1 6. This is 12 plus 6 18 and then 2 6s. 24 plus 1 25. And then let us say there are, okay, 4 4s we can take. 4 4 4 4 plus 1 6. So this is 16 plus 6 22. So this is one combination, right? तो कितना हुआ? We cannot take 5 4s because 4 into 5 will be 20 plus 6 will cross 25. This will become 26. So this we cannot take. So this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 and 8, right? So these are 8 combinations. So this is 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 18 plus 1 19. That's your answer, option number B. Okay. If you have solved these kind of questions and you have a practice, you'll be able to solve it under 1.5 minutes. But you know, just to understand the approach, it may take time, right? So I will not really touch this question in the first attempt. I will keep it for the last. जब करने के लिए कुछ नहीं बचेगा CSAT के पेपर में, तो मैं इसको अटेम्प्ट करूंगा. Let us go to the next one. There are 4 letters and 4 envelopes. Exactly one letter is to be put in exactly one envelope with correct address. So there are 4 letters. Let us say L1, L2, L3, L4 and 4 envelopes. So this is E1, E2, E3 and E4. Okay. So हर एक लेटर का एक envelope correct address वाला है. If the letters are randomly inserted into the envelopes, then consider following statements. It is possible that exactly one letter goes into an incorrect envelope. क्या एक ही लेटर इनकरेक्ट एनवलप में जा सकता है? तो फॉर एग्जांपल ये बराबर है, ये कॉम्बिनेशन बराबर है, ये कॉम्बिनेशन बराबर है. क्या सिर्फ ये गलत हो सकता है? नहीं हो सकता, क्योंकि अगर ये तीनों सही है तो इसको भी सही होना पड़ेगा. सो द फर्स्ट स्टेटमेंट इज नॉट रियली करेक्ट, राइट? नाउ सेकंड, there are only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into correct envelopes. Which of the statements given above is correct पूछा है. So first one is incorrect. So are there only 6 ways in which only 2 letters can go into correct envelope? So we have 4 letters out of which only 2 are correct. So basically 4 letters and उसमें से 2 ही पिक करना है जो सही है, right? So this is a picking problem. You have to basically pick 2 letters out of 4 letters which are going into correct envelopes. So how many such pickings are possible? So I am converting that question into a combination question. So this is 4C2, that is 4 factorial by 2 factorial by 2 factorial, which gives me 4 6, right? So just give me 6 and that's my answer. It says that there are only 6 ways. So this statement is correct and that's why my answer is B, option 2. Let us go to the next one. How many distinct 8-digit numbers can be formed by rearranging? Distinct 8-digit number चाहिए अपने को by rearranging the digits of the number 11 22 33 44. So basically I have 11 22 33 and 44. Thus that odd digits can occupy odd positions and even digits occupy even positions. So I have 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8, out of which these are odd and these are even, right? So I have 4 odd digits and 4 even digits. From the space standpoint also, I have 4 odd spaces and 4 even spaces, correct? So now, you know, it is simple, right? I have to find out in how many ways these 4 odd digits can go into these 4 odd spaces, right? So this can go into 4 factorial ways, but there is a repetition. So in this is repeated 2 times and this is repeated 2 times. So I will divide by this and I will get 6. Similarly, 4 even digits can go into 4 even spaces into 6 ways. So my answer is 36, option number C. Okay, that's done. So this was the last question. तो अगर आपने सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो सब्सक्राइब करो और प्लीज़ लाइक करना और वॉच करना और अपने फ्रेंड्स के साथ शेयर करना, क्योंकि मैं बड़ी मेहनत से वीडियो बना रहा हूँ. सो थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग. आई विल सी इन द नेक्स्ट वन.